Is your partner's snoring turning your nights into a never-ending noise festival? Have you tried deciphering Morse code in their snores, hoping they're secretly a genius? Maybe you've considered recording an album titled Midnight Snore Serenades? Or perhaps you've thought about writing a book, 101 Ways to Survive a Snore Apocalypse. Enough is enough. It's time to turn the volume down on that nocturnal noisemaker. Discover a peaceful sleep solution with Sleep Through Snoring, because the only epic battle at night should be in your dreams, not with snoring. Visit sleepthroughsnoring.com for your escape route to quiet nights. Book a free strategy call and let's make those snores a thing of the past. Your sanity deserves it.